Was Microsoft right? Is putting Windows 11 on an unsupported machine bad news? Hi there, Alby Tastic here and welcome. Well, not so far. It's actually been a piece of cake, with both the Z800 and my virtual machines receiving both security and quality updates with no problems at all. In the 10 weeks or so since I installed Windows 11 on the Z800, I've received 50 updates for Windows Defender, 9 cumulative updates for Windows 11, 3 updates for Windows Malicious software removal tool, all of which installed with no problems whatsoever. Apparently there have been some problems with some updates, but since I run everything inside virtual machines, these haven't really affected me, and Microsoft has now resolved them anyway. I've already produced 3 videos showing how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox, and one showing how to get the latest Windows 11 ISO image from UUP dump. So check those out if you want to try out Windows 11 without installing it on your main computer. The latest update is build 22000.348, and that's the one I have. And basically that's it. Despite Microsoft's dire warnings, I've had no problems installing and running Windows 11 on 8 different computers. In fact, I think it's an excellent operating system, far easier to use and much more intuitive than Windows 10. And I would certainly recommend installing it, at least in a virtual machine, even if only to try it out. So, as usual, over to you, Amelia.
Hello friends. If you enjoyed our video, can I ask you to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel? We would love to have you as a regular viewer. Thank you, and have a lovely day.